Hello friends, welcome to CardFino. Friends, I have 15 plus credit card but there are 6 credit card which I use very frequently. I call them no-brainer credit card because you don't have to use your brain that how to utilize them. There's a fixed category that these cards are best to use for, and even how to redeem those points. Most of the cases you are getting those cashback in the statement itself, so you don't have to worry about the expiry of the points or how to maximize those redeeming these points. So guys, I'm creating a series of these no-brainer credit cards. So first I'll talk about the 6 credit card which I have. The first is Axis Atlas credit card, which I always use for my flight and travel credit card and any offline transactions. And second is American Express Platinum Travel Card. I use it for my NPS transaction and all government payment transaction and insurance payment transaction, where other credit card doesn't give any reward. This credit card gives up to 12.5% of return on those categories. Next, I use the SBI Cashback credit card. These I use for all my online transaction. It gives 5% instant cashback on all online transactions. Next would be Tata Neu Infinity credit card of HDFC. These I use for all my UPI transaction as well as all the Tata brands transactions. The last would be the Kotak Myntra credit card, and in this video I am talking about this Kotak Myntra credit card. Guys, right now there's a sale has been going on Myntra birthday sale, which from this credit card I am getting 12.5% instant discount. Instant discount, not just cashback, no points, it's instant discount and no minimum transactions. So even if I'm buying a product of 300 rupees and there's no shipping add to it, then I'll get 12.5% instant discount on this credit card. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So without further delays, let's get to it. So on this Kotak Myntra credit card, what do you get it? So card owner get instant discount of 7.5% on all spend done on Myntra, which capped as 750 per transaction. So it's per transaction. That means your amount on one transaction cannot be more than 10,000. So if one order, if below 10,000, you will get up to 750 rupees. That means 7.5% discount. But there is no limit on the number of transactions. Even if you do 20 transactions per day, you will still get 7.5% on each transactions. So that's the best part. And Myntra is something that right now even you are getting some gadgets also. I recently bought a trimmer also, Philips trimmer, on which I got 12.5% discount, which normally I don't get it on Amazon or Flipkart. And there are some partner brands also on which you will get 5% cashback up to 1000 rupees, which are Swiggy, Instamart, ClearTrip, PVR and Urban Company. And all other transactions, be it online or offline, you will get 1.25% of unlimited cashback. So there are welcome benefit also. Once you get this card, if you spend 500 rupees within 30 days of transaction, you will get 500 rupees of Myntra voucher. So the next question would be, if this 1.25 unlimited transaction, is there any capping or any restriction? So yes, on fuel, rent, wallet recharge, EMI transaction and cash advances, these transactions will not be considered upon 1.25% of cashback. Remaining all transactions, be it online, offline, yeah, even your education fees, government transaction, all will be considered upon 1.25% of cashback. Guys, this card is available on MasterCard as well as Rupay, so you can take it for Rupay as well, so you can use it for UPI. All the UPI transactions also you will get 1.25% of unlimited cashback. Only exclusion would be the similar one: rent, wallet, fuel, EMI transaction and education. And just one thing, that in UPI transaction should be above 2000. So if any transaction of UPI below 2000 will not be eligible for 1.25% of cashback. So now I'll talk about the fees. Is there any joining or annual fees? So yes, there are 500 rupees joining and annual fees on this card. And if you spend 2 lakh in 1 year, then you will not be able to pay for this card. Your joining fees or renewal fees will be waived off. But guys, 500 is still fine. You don't have to use this card for any other transaction. But if you are spending much on Myntra, you should definitely get this card, because this 500 fees will easily get recovered. So I am also using this card. I don't worry about achieving the milestone, but just by paying the 500 rupees fees, I am using this card to get the 7.5% of instant discount. And moreover, in Myntra, what happens is that you normally always get a bank discount on many other credit cards or debit card. But the thing is, every time you have to, like, minimum transaction should be 3000 or 5000, then only you are eligible for that 10% discount or cashback. But the thing is, in that case, sometimes you overly buy something which you don't need it. But on this card, even there's no minimum transaction. Even if you are paying like 300 or 400 item, you will still get 7.5% of discount. And normally all the Myntra sale, they will get additionally 5% discount. Even right now there's a Myntra birthday sale is going on. You will get 7.5 plus 5%. That means 12.5% instant discount. I think instant discount cannot be beat by cashback. So instant discount I always prefer. If I'm getting instant discount, I always prefer that. That's why I love this credit card. I don't have to think about it. If I'm buying anything on Myntra, I always use this credit. Is there any milestone benefits? Yes, there are milestone benefit also. If you spend 50,000 in a quarter, you will be eligible to get 2 PVR tickets up to 250 rupees. This card can be used on fuel transaction, even though you will not get any 1.25% of cashback, but the fuel surcharge will be waived off if the transaction is between 500 and maximum up to 3500. So how can you apply this card? So guys, you may be seeing that many influencer or card influencer are not recommended this card because this card normally don't give them any benefit. That's why they don't talk about this card. This card can only be applied from the Myntra app. If you are opening a Myntra app and then this card is being shown to you, that means you are eligible to get this card. You can easily apply from the Myntra credit card. I'll see if I can find a link to directly apply for it. I can put it down in the description. But guys, if you are frequently shoppers on Myntra, you should definitely get this card. Guys, these are my first video of my no-brainer credit card. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to talk about all those no-brainer credit card that you don't have to think about it, how to redeem those points or how to, where to spend it, is there any limit and all. I will always talk about the no-brainer credit card. So if any particular transaction, you have to use this card. That's it. You don't have to remember much about it. So guys, if you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. I will try to answer all the comments. Thank you from CardFino.